Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami jacket just like this one. This is an original model I created myself. It's usually made with one or two colors, but you can also customize it like in this example here. If you want to make one using the same design, you can download the file I left in the description. But for this video, I'm going to use a square sheet of paper of 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. Our first step is to divide the paper into 3 parts. To do that, you could use a ruler, but I think it's much easier to just curve the paper like this, almost like the shape of an S. Then just bring the layers closer together. And now we have these 2 creases that we can use as a guide. We'll start by folding the right side. Then we fold the left side the same way. And with that, the paper is divided into 3 parts. Next, we'll divide each section in half. We can start with the right one. Then the left one. And finally, the middle one. Now that the paper is divided into 6 parts, let's fold the right and left side to the middle. Keeping it folded, let's fold the top part down. We are not going to fold it exactly in the middle. We'll make the top layer a little smaller. Next, let's fold the 2 top corners. Unfold them. Unfold the previous fold too. Now pay close attention to the next step. With the paper in this position, you notice that the top has one larger section and one smaller. First, we are going to open the paper on this side here. And now, using the lines we made earlier, we'll close the larger side by pushing the paper down. This is more or less the result. On the other side, we'll do the opposite. We'll close by bringing the paper up. Adjust it a little in the middle. And now this side looks like this. Let's move on to the other side and repeat the same step. Just like before, open this side a little. Close the larger side by pushing the middle down. The other side by bringing the middle up. Let's adjust the small diagonals in the center. Now the paper should look like this. With the paper in this position, we'll bring the middle part down over the bottom part. Just press along the existing folds, and this step is almost automatic. Then bring the remaining layers down as well, over everything else. Adjust the details at the end, reinforcing the creases. Now the origami is almost done. We just need to add the final details. First, I think it makes sense to fold the top part, just a bit. Then unfold. Now let's make 2 diagonal folds in the center. I think it's easier to open the top layer a bit, like this, and then flatten it into a triangle. Do the same thing on the other side, trying to make it as symmetrical as possible. Next, fold the top part again, using the previous fold. You could stop here, you don't have to fold anything else, but I think it's better to add an extra detail at the bottom. Just turn the paper over, then open the back layers. Now fold the first layer of the top side down. We can open and flatten the remaining part. I'll try to create a triangle shape. Same thing on the other side. Adjust a little and reinforce the folds. This creates a lock that lets you open the front of the paper as if you were a real jacket. If you managed to do it, congratulations! Now that you know how to make it, You can customize it however you like and create even more creative versions. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.